In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a modded version of Mario Kart Tour on your phone with unlimited resources on iOS and Android. So as you can see, this is my current amount of money in Mario Kart Tour. But when I open up the mod, we have many options including 90,000 rubies, points booster by 3, unlock all characters, and unlock all maps. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this onto your device. It's super insane, guys. Fully works in iOS and Android, so keep watching the video and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get it. So I'm going to turn on the 90,000 rubies option, press activate, and it should go up like crazy. So let's see if it goes up at all. And sure enough, guys, 4,800 ain't looking too nice. Oh, 94,000, guys. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this. So it's really not that hard. First step is go to this website called tweakgpt.com. So this is like an AI website. It's really cool. So let me just type it in right here. So once you're on the site, guys, just come to where it says enter a prompt and just put in Mario. And there might be a couple things that come up, but go for Mario Kart Tour, obviously. So it's going to say need the Mario Kart Tour mod. Here's how. Go to Zoo Mods. So now we're on Zoo Mods, and you just want to type in Mario Kart. And sure enough, there it is, Mario Kart Tour mod. So just press on that, wait for it to download, and you're going to be good to go. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. And if you go to the search bar, guys, and type in Mario Kart, you can see it's super expensive, which is why I don't really encourage you guys to spend money on this game. But if you really want to, you can do whatever you want. But personally, guys, I'm just going to be a cool kid and I'm going to hack the game. As you can see, I got 94,000 rubies right now, so I'm doing pretty well for myself. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super insane, guys, and fully works. So if you're broke or whatever, this method is going to save you a ton of money. So yeah, remember, guys, all you got to do is go to this website right here, which is called Zoo Mods. And then once you're there, guys, just go to the search bar and just type in Mario Kart Tour. And it should come right up. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super insane, guys. And it is fully updated for all devices. So as you can see, guys, I'm not broke anymore. So I'll see you in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. This is super cool, guys, and it totally works. So peace out, guys, because this is super insane. And if this video works, you guys definitely go ahead and share it. So I will see you guys in another video, and peace out.